Hello. What are you doing?
Good morning, kids. Look, 2 baby shark cars are having a water gun fight in the parking lot.
What happened? Look at
They chase each other from the first floor all the way to the second floor.
this. Who is next?
At that moment, an electric car is charging on the second floor.
Hey!
Oops! The purple shark car accidentally sprays water onto the charging station, and the electric car catches fire. The car loses control and rushes forward, knocking the red shark car over.
Oh no!
Help me!
Oh no!
Fire truck.
Here we go!
The fire truck arrives fast and uses a dry powder extinguisher to put out the fire.
Amazing! Bravo! Don't do that.
It also washes the dirty shark cars clean.
I got it! Help me!
Crane truck.
Wow!
A big crane arrives too and lifts up the overturned red shark car.
Thank you very much.
Luckily, it is not hurt.
I got it! Okay.
Then the crane lifts the damaged electric car onto a tow truck and sends it to the repair shop.
It's amazing!
They also install a brand new charging station in the parking lot.
Good job!
Aha! Uh-oh!
It's so nice! Amazing!
Now it's time to fix the electric car.
Let's go! It's my time!
First, they paint the body with fresh new paint.
Wow, it's a nice slide! Open! It's a disappear!
No!
Then they replace the burnt battery with a new
I
one.
got it! Very nice! I like it! Yeah! Cool! Okay.
Finally, they secure the safety clips.
Transformation!
All done! The electric car looks like new again.
Thank
The
you
construction
very much.
vehicles and fire truck give an important reminder. Never play with water near electrical equipment. It's very dangerous. The baby shark cars understand their mistake.
Bye-bye!
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.